Requesting money via Zelle within the Wells Fargo app is a straightforward way to receive payments digitally. First, open the Wells Fargo app and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer or Zelle section in the app. Select Request Money from the options. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Specify the amount and add an optional note if needed. Once the recipient approves, funds transfer almost instantly if both parties are enrolled in Zelle. Both parties must have US-based bank accounts enrolled in Zelle. It's a fee-free method for personal use, integrating seamlessly with your Wells Fargo account. Zelle requests within Wells Fargo benefit from encryption and FDIC insurance up to $250,000, ensuring a secure transfer environment. Daily limits typically start around $500 for new users, but can be adjusted. While reversals are rare, they are possible in case of errors. Looking ahead, expect greater AI integration for predictive requests and stronger verification methods like two-factor authentication due to increasing regulations. With cashless transactions on the rise, Zelle requests might become embedded in smart devices, with Wells Fargo potentially leading through fintech partnerships. Be cautious of phishing attempts and always request money via the app for enhanced security.